afternoon all. I am outside in the garden. I was going to do some reading today, but I just checked my potatoes. Have a look at it. So I think I was going to wait until all this died back, but look at the growth. It is just unbelievable. This is the best lot of potato leaves I've seen. Now, if it's only one potato, I'm not going to be too upset. So we've got potatoes popping up everywhere here. So this is going to be a good garden bed. This might be the best potato harvest ever, because look at it, it's loaded. Alright, here we go. Pulling time. What do we got? What have we got? Oh grief. Oh my god. That is the most biggest potato I've ever seen. I wondered how they were going because bugs were getting at them and everything. And this has got to be the bestest harvest so far. Unbelievable. Look at the size of that one. That's the seed potato. This one might not do so good. Oops. See, look at the size of the stalks. I can't even lift that one. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Not so great with this one. That's okay. That's okay. You've definitely gotten one of the biggest potatoes I've ever seen. Oh, I hope I didn't upset that red potato. Oh, quite big yellow and black beetle there. So I'm just going to get my shovel. Oi. It's hard work doing this, mate. Can't get over the size of that potato. I'm just going to get my shovel and see what we got, if we've got anything else left. Yeah, have a look at you. And you can go. Oh. Ground is that hard. After all that. After all that. Nice little feet there. There is a green one there. That's okay. I can pull him back. Peel him back, I should say. I've just run out of spinach. My tomatoes aren't ripe enough. There's a couple of if I'm huffing and puffing, it's because I am not fit enough to do gardening. Who needs a gym when you got a garden? Look at the size of that bugger. Let me go and get my secateurs. What'd they do with him? Give me a find room in the bin to pull all these leaves away. Okay. There we go. One spinach leaf. I really don't have much in this garden, to be terribly honest with you, to harvest. But that's okay. Sometimes you think you got nothing, and then boom, suddenly you got something. That'll do. I gotta keep netting it. I found the most greatest big green caterpillar on one of them the other day. Okay. How many spring onions going? This one got a couple of stalks on it. We might leave that bit there. I think I was meant to be coming out here doing some gardening, but then I saw that great big potato and I said to myself, I'm going to harvest that. And I thought I may as well harvest the rest of them. I'm glad I did. So we're going to do a bit of work this afternoon. Yeah, reeds. Yeah, we're going to get stuck in and start. I'm going to put some more potatoes in some pots ready for the next slot. And we'll take it from there. But at the moment, look at that potato. Oh my God. That's from today's harvest. So this is the result of all the rain and the storms and the hot weather we've had lately. And I thought it was a nice cool day. I'm actually dressed. No dressing gown today. Because it's nice and cool actually. To do some work in. So that's what I'm going to do. I've still got a pumpkin seed up here, but it's getting very swallowed up by the weeds. They weren't there yesterday. Goodness me. So, very overcast still. It was raining this morning, so I thought now is the best time to pull up the reeds while the ground is wet. And we'll take it from there. And we'll see how we go. Alright people, sorry there's not much to tell. I wasn't planning on doing that today, but I thought I had to. Because seriously, that was one big potato. Let's have another look at it. Yep. Almost as big as my hand. That is a baked potato. I am terribly happy with that. Every now and then I get a nice surprise in the garden, don't I? So it is worth doing. You've got a little bit of space to do the work in. Even if it's just half the size of this garden, it is worth doing. It has also made me come to the conclusion that I think potatoes grow better in garden beds than pots. So I've always come to that conclusion. So yeah. Alright peoples, I'm going to leave it there. I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.